This is your comfort zone. Warm, safe, familiar, and your brain absolutely loves it here. But every time something new shows up, a chance, a challenge, a change, something inside you pulls back. That's your brain firing an alarm. It's called the threat response, and your brain treats the unknown the same as danger. The longer you stay, the smaller your world gets. Your comfort zone isn't protecting you, it's shrinking around you. Just outside that bubble, that's where growth lives. New skills, new confidence, new versions of you. Feeling scared when you try something new isn't weakness, it's just your brain doing its job. Feel it and go anyway. You don't have to leap. One small, uncomfortable step is all it takes to start rewiring your brain. Every time you push past discomfort, your brain physically adapts. The scary thing becomes normal, and your comfort zone expands. That's the secret. You don't escape your comfort zone. You grow it, one brave step at a time. What's one uncomfortable thing you can do today? Do it. And if this helped, hit subscribe. More like this every week.